J. J. Hello boys and girls, we have a new sound this week and that new sound is J. J. When you see this side of the card, you say J. When you see this side of the card, you say Jack in the Box. Now it's time for the peekaboo game. Just say what you see, J or Jack in the Box. Now we're going to have a go writing the sound with our finger. But first, we have to learn the rhyme. And the rhyme for this sound is down his body, curl and dot. Down his body, curl and dot. Start at the top of the sound and go down his body, curl and dot. Down his body, curl and dot. Now you have a go saying the rhyme. Pens at the ready, we're going to have a go writing the sound in our books. Get whoever's helping you to write the sound in a light colour on the first line and to put a black dot where you start so you know where to put your pen. Just remember, take your time, say the rhyme. Down his body, curl and dot. Down his body, curl and dot. You carry on saying the rhyme. Fantastic writing, everyone. Now you're going to have a go writing the sound independently. Get whoever's helping you to put a dot where you need to start so you know where to put your pen. Just remember, take your time and say the rhyme. Down his body, curl and dot. Down his body, curl and dot. Now carry on saying the rhyme. Super work, everyone. Now look at all the J sounds that you have written. I want you to pick your favourite one, put a star by the side, so when you look back over all of your work, you can see what a good one looks like. Now it's time for popcorn words. Any words that pop into your head that start with the sound J, I want you to shout them out now. Well done, everybody. Now, I'm going to draw a picture of something that starts with the sound J. Can you guess what it might be? So now it's your turn to have a think of some words that start with the sound J. And I want you to draw the pictures in your book.
Super work, boys and girls. You know so many sounds now. I am so impressed. Make sure you post your work to Dojo so that everyone can see what you've been up to. See you next time for another sound video.